These days, everybody seems to think love is just a game of swipes and texts. It starts with chemistry and ends with confusion, overthinking, or a situationship that felt like a love story until it didn't. And you're wondering, why do I keep ending up here? Lucky for you, the answer is on my trusty attachment map. I brought it to help you understand your unique love role. Tell me how your body reacts when things get real. Go ahead and think about it while I tell you a story. Let's start with Sally and Jake. Sally is the pleaser. She's romantic, generous, maybe a little extra, and that works out pretty good for Jake. Sally lives to care. She doesn't just aim to please, she lives to please. Jake, he's the guardian, protective, stoic, always scanning the world for threats, including emotional ones. At first it works. Sally loves how strong Jake feels. Jake is captured by her warmth. But eventually Sally starts to feel insecure. Jake bottles up and pops. Sally freezes. Finally, Jake pulls away. It's a long way from happily ever after. Not because they're wrong for each other. They just don't understand each other's love rhythm. Get a load of Tyler and Zoe. Tyler is the devoted. He's already thinking wedding plans and dirty diapers. He doesn't fall in love, he dives. Zoe is the mystery. She draws you in with her presence and disappears just as fast. To Tyler, her distance feels like rejection. To Zoe, his closeness feels like pressure. He clings harder, she fades further. And the flame that started with so much heat burns out in silence. Maya is the cherished. She lights up every room. Being with her feels like being with someone everyone wants. But Ryan is the holder. Compassionate, generous, kind, and wound up just a bit too tight. First strike, they light up like fireworks. She makes him feel alive. He makes her feel chosen. Until Maya wants to be out, seen, adored. And Ryan comes along, quiet but bracing. When Maya cools off from Ryan's freeze, she warms up to someone else. Ryan holds on until he drops it all like a bag of potatoes. It's a crying shame. Now look here, it's Elena, the commander. She's what the kids call a boss babe. She leads, she handles. She doesn't do vulnerability, she wins. Her partner Sam? He's the soother, gentle, accommodating. He calms, comforts, deflects, and both of them come from crazy families. At first it works. She leads. He makes sure everybody gets along. But when Aunt Sally has too much to drink at the Christmas party, Elena goes on the warpath. Sam is destroyed by broken peace. Yet again, true love becomes a casualty of war. These couples don't fall apart because they don't love each other. They fall apart because their bodies are speaking different languages. No, I'm not talking about love languages. The attachment map gives you a way towards safety and connection. This is love your body needs and the path toward the one. Instead of going up in smoke, you can burn a steady flame. I'm not being cute with you. This is honest to goodness science. Doing the wild thing thrives under threat. It's what we in the science community call survival instinct. Passion and desire aren't your problem. It's learning how to feel safe in love. So what do you think? Drop it in the comments and subscribe to this channel while you're at it. It would be a mighty kindness to an old feller like me. Next time I'll let you look closer at this here attachment map.